tomato.
This is no tomato because we are not here to cook jollof rice. I came with the money.
You made it?
Oh yes.
Hey. Enemy heart man. You begin at me heart man. You begin at me heart man. I needed this money because I'm going to shoot my music video. Yeah, that's why I needed the money.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
You know, because of the trust you had on me and gave me that hard currency to keep, and the plan we have together.
To dethrone the king.
Yes, and the sweet love. I now doubled the money and made it 2 million naira.
Thank you. So let me go. When I come, we will discuss how we're going to dethrone the king.
Okay. And that is okay. We'll take care.
While you are going to change the money, you need a policeman and a minimum of 2 army because that is a lot of money. You have to be guided as you're going.
It's okay. Forget that. Akali Mogun Kode. Who you are seeing here is Itego One, Igbo land, the William Farr. I'll be handling money. Is it not me that carried this one? Did anybody disturb me?
Nobody.
Oh, okay.
You are a good man.
Oh, yes.
But the one man.
Oh, yes.
The one man.
I will go and plan.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.